Where is the reset button on a Whirlpool refrigerator located?
Hello everyone. Today we're here to tackle a common question asked by many Whirlpool refrigerator owners. Where is the reset button located? It's a simple process once you know where to look and what to do.
Do all Whirlpool refrigerators have a reset button?
Before we start, it's crucial to note that not all Whirlpool refrigerator models come equipped with a reset button. Many modern refrigerators don't have a specific button. Reset functions are often incorporated into the digital control panel or can be performed by unplugging the unit.
Locating the reset button.
If your Whirlpool refrigerator model has a reset button, it's typically located in the control panel of your refrigerator. The control panel is generally on the front of the refrigerator, either on the right or left door, or at the top of the refrigerator. The reset button is usually marked as such, but it can sometimes be labeled as power, restart, or on, off.
How to reset your Whirlpool refrigerator.
1. Locate the control panel. Remember, it's often situated on the front of your refrigerator. 2. Find the reset button. As mentioned earlier, it could be labeled differently depending on the model. 3. Press and hold the reset button. It usually needs to be held for about 3 to 5 seconds. 4. You'll know the reset process is complete when the refrigerator's lights flicker or you hear a sound.
Resetting a Whirlpool refrigerator without a reset button.
For models without a specific reset button, the process is a bit different. 1. Locate the control panel, which is typically found on the front of your refrigerator. 2. If there's a digital control panel, you might need to find the combination of buttons that triggers the reset function. This could vary from model to model, so it's best to check your owner's manual. 3. Another method is to unplug the refrigerator from the power source for a few minutes, then plug it back in. This often effectively resets the appliance. And there you have it. That's how you find and use the reset button on a Whirlpool refrigerator. Remember that not all models have a reset button, and you might need to follow alternative methods to reset your appliance. Always check your owner's manual for specific instructions for your model. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.